Now, I hear a lot of content creators. What are you guys doing to create content?
Being myself.
You said what?
Being myself.
Being yourself? But how are you creating it?
Turn the camera on, record.
Boom. That's what I like to hear. It's the technical things that you have to do in order to create that content, right? How you create content?
Does music count?
Yes, absolutely. How do you create it? How are you creating it?
Oh, well, I make my own songs. I
How?
produce.
Yep.
FL Studios.
Okay, good. Anybody else? Content creators? Anybody else? That's it? Anybody else give me a reason why they're here? Because that's not enough. I need more. Go ahead.
I'm here to advance my business.
What's your business?
I sell lip gloss. It's called Nora Pride Cosmetics.
Congratulations. That's what's up. Next. Why else y'all here? Go ahead.
I don't know how to create proper business plans. I have so many different ideas, but I want to be able to put it on paper and know exactly what I want to write.
That's why I made you pull out that notebook, right? Yep. Go ahead. One of y'all.
Learn how to market and promote your business, promote yourself, especially when it comes to content creating, and knowing like what to record, what not to record.
Absolutely. Next.
Getting more information and getting like more familiar on the field, the content creating field and all that. Yeah.
What social media